Arkansas Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders announced today she's sending personnel to Oklahoma to help firefighters battling wildfires in northwest parts of the state. Those fires have already burned an estimated 300,000 acres, with dangerous conditions there expected to persist. The Ranger Road fire is the biggest in the state and crossed over from the Oklahoma Panhandle into Kansas yesterday. 3 firefighters have been hurt, but no loss of life, thanks to community members coming together to help each other evacuate.
It's just very encouraging to see the community come together. Rural and volunteer firefighters, state and federal resources in lockstep, combating something that is right here in the grocery store of America, where farming and ranching is critical. These fires just threaten our lives and livelihoods when they do occur.
Governor Kevin Stitt also declared a state of emergency this week. That executive order will remain in effect for 30 days.